Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? And it's already a lovely day, despite the fact that the market opened up down 550 points regarding the Dow Jones Industrial Average and has already put on a significant rebound. We're gonna talk about that. Oh, I forgot to mention the date. It is Wednesday, April 4th, 2018. So here's the story right now and why not one of you should worry about what's going on here. We're going to cover that here and now. So we found out that apparently China is retaliating with tariffs on a whole bunch of things. Okay, Dow futures plunged over 500 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Average opened about 550 points in the red, and again is already putting on a big rebound here. Now, why is this rebound occurring? Well, very simple. The Fed is going to support this market, and it's already doing that. If you're not watching this on my website, which I hope you are, glance over to the right side of the page. You will see the bond market chart, and they are buying bonds big time. This is a language. The Fed is saying, okay, don't worry about the market. We're going to support it by buying up those bonds and keeping rates suppressed. What did I do this morning? Well, just prior to this video, I opened up this position here almost at the lows of the day, and I am already up like 10% on that trade. I have no idea where it's going to go by the end of the day, but I do know that the Fed will support this market. So this sell-off today, I'm not even fazed by it whatsoever. There's no doubt in my mind, especially after what we have seen yesterday and the day before that they will prop up the bond market, or at least try to. If that doesn't work, they will buy stocks. So again, look, don't forget this. It took me years to forget this. That we have a managed market. After the crash of 2008, I was still stuck, literally for years, in the mindset that the market was real. My brain wouldn't connect it. It would not work. Honestly, despite the fact that the Fed stepped in there with quantitative easing 1, quantitative easing 2, Operation Twist, and every other thing that you could think about, backdoor, front door, to support this market, having other central banks buy our debt. I mean, you can go literally crazy. The Fed has managed this market. They will continue to do so. I think the entire dynamic of the markets has flipped upside down. And with the managed market, what that means is the central bank, in collusion with the Wall Street banks and other banks around the world, will do everything in their power, and they're pretty powerful, to keep this market moving in one direction and one direction only. Seriously, this market is in la-la land. It should not be anywhere near where it is. Yes, yet it continues to maintain that. And despite what happened today, where the market you see, look, let's put another perspective on this. If this market rebounds, which it is doing, as I'm sitting here, the market's probably not going to fall anytime soon, because here's a prime opportunity for it to do that, and yet it's not. You understand? So just get this in your head. Again, it still eludes me from time to time. This is not a real market. It's a fake market that is being managed. With that said, they're going to prop up those bonds just like they're doing now. Go look for yourself on the live chart on my website. They will buy stock if they have to keep it propped up. It's not real. All right, with that said, I'm going to let you go, and we will resume this at the end of the day, and we'll find out how lovely it was. I'll see you then.